Hey everybody, so yesterday we went to this fabulous spring that our friend Solomon wanted to take us to. It's not a big tourist spot like Maracas, it's more of a local spot. So we decided to call it Solomon's Secret Spring in honor of him. So do me a favor and keep it secret. I am going to tell you about the blue soap though, so you're going to want to go ahead and stay tuned for that. We love taking these drives up into the mountains, seeing the countryside and all the shops and houses. And in these shops, you can find that blue soap. You just kind of have to ask around and see who sells it. The northern range of mountains in Trinidad is a lush rainforest full of bamboo, kapok trees, many flowers and plants, and also a lot of agriculture like dasheen, Christophine, plantains, cocoa, nutmeg, avocado, and soursop. Washing with blue soap is said to wash away impurities and bad spirits. There's 4 of us, so we cut it into 4 pieces. And what you do is you wash with it, and when you're done with it, you toss it behind your shoulder into the bush for good luck.
Yeah.